Hello friends, today I'd like to discuss how to make engaging thumbnail with AI, Google Studio. Anyway, I have written a command like this. The command is design a thumbnail image for YouTube video. This is the title basically. So let me replace the title here because Google AI Studio will generate or will make the thumbnail regarding this title or who. Text color will be very glowing and text background will be very darker. I have just used this command because this is best if I use background, deep background and glowing text color, and text font size should be bigger. Anyway, I have also made some hook through the command here. So I am using this hook because it's better to use the hook instead of title on the thumbnail, because is more engaging than the title. Anyway, let's put the command here, and obviously we should open more AI Studio thread because we need to have different design too. So Google AI Studio already generated a thumbnail like this. This looks well, but not very well. So let me generate another. Also, we need to fix the size. Like for the long video, you can set 16 and 9, and for the short video, 9 and 16. So I have long videos. So let me select it and then run. And I will choose more command, more thumbnail too. So let me open it again, fix the size for long video and this one. Yeah, this one looks awesome. And yeah, this looks more awesome, I think. So let's download it from here. And before using, you can also clean the history of this image like this. Remove properties and personal information, select all. Then you can use this image on YouTube thumbnail section here. So thank you guys.